Hey everybody, what's up? So I just got my iPhone 13 Pro Max. There's a big delay with these going as far as November, so I'm really glad I was able to get mine. It was delivered by FedEx, so let's go unbox it and check it out. As many of you already know, I enjoy doing giveaways on the channel. It's just my way of saying thank you and giving back to the community. So I'm giving away a brand new M1 iPad Pro to a random subscriber when I reach 25,000 subscribers. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on and give this video a thumbs up. Now back to the video. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue, and this model has 1 terabyte of storage. I needed the extra space because I use my iPhone 12 Pro Max to film my YouTube videos, and that only has 128 gigabytes of storage, so I was constantly running out of space. On the back of the box, you have these little arrows showing you how to open the box. So let's pull it off and see what all is inside. We have a USB-C to Lightning cable. If you want to see my iPhone 13 Pro Max best accessories video, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's take a look at this packet, designed by Apple in California. So we got one white Apple sticker and a SIM ejection tool. Before we peel this off the screen, let's take a look at the overall design. These flat sides are just pure perfection. It has always been my favorite design on iPhones. When it comes to design, Apple really knows what they're doing. I don't think they have any competition in that department. Here's a look at the bigger cameras. Let's peel this off. And let's turn it on. There we go. Hello. Here's the setup screen. Select English, United States, and you have a quick start method to set it up. I'll set mine up off camera and I'll be right back. Welcome to iPhone, so we're all done. Wow, that's a beautiful display. It is brighter than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This has 1000 nits max brightness. Here's the 20% smaller notch. You probably won't be able to tell on camera, but this 120Hz ProMotion looks and feels pretty good. It's just so smooth, you don't notice any kind of lag. I compared it to my iPhone 12 Pro Max side by side and I saw the difference instantly. This probably was one of the most requested features for Pro model iPhones, and Apple finally added it. But there's still no USB-C. I guess that will be the biggest feature for the iPhone 14. So here I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max to compare it to. I have some color matching protective covers over the cameras. Here's the 13 Pro Max. Just look at the difference in camera sizes. These things are huge. Here's a look at the camera bumps. Remember, my 12 Pro Max has those protective covers on. So the 13 Pro Max is a bit thicker than the 12 Pro Max, I guess for the bigger battery and extra stuff. It is also heavier than the 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has Apple's latest A15 Bionic chip, which now has a 5-core GPU compared to the 4-core GPU on the 12 Pro Max. So with the 120Hz ProMotion display and the extra GPU core, games should look really good on this thing. Let me know in the comments if you want a top 10 games video for the iPhone 13 Pro series. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of you are curious if you should upgrade to the iPhone 13 series. I have another video coming on that, so if that's something you want to see, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell. On paper, the iPhone 13 Pro Max says it has a video playback time of up to 28 hours. The 12 Pro Max has only 20, so that's a major improvement. My iPhone 12 Pro Max was already lasting 2 days on a full charge, so I'm curious to put this one to the test to see how it goes. Here's a closer look at the smaller notch. Maybe we won't have it on the iPhone 14. Let's take a look at this design real quick. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. So for those of you interested in Geekbench scores, no worries, I got you covered. Let's run this CPU benchmark and see what we get. 1734 on the single core and 4625 on the multi-core. Let's look at the single core comparison. Beats everything out of the box. Let's look at the multi-core comparison. Beats everything except the 2nd gen iPad Pro. Now let's do a GPU benchmark and see what we get. We got a medal score of 14483. Let's compare those results, and as expected, it beats everything out of the box. So overall, I like this phone. I have a lot more cool iPhone videos coming your way, so stay tuned for those. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section and what you think about the iPhone 13 lineup. If you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more awesome content. Be sure to add me on Twitter and Instagram at LamarMK. As always, thanks for watching, stay safe, and peace out.